Slow the pace already, girl, I see it. Because it's your hands, I losing reasons to hold yourself back. Just say one, say one, say one. Feeling, know you need some physical attention. Whisper 'cause it's better when there's tension.
Hi guys, good morning. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Progressive Riding Masterclass. Yun, mag-aaral ako motor for road safety and riding ability. Yan. So, ito yung page nila.
Okay, press the plug. Start niya, press the plug. Press it down. Pato ko lang yung kamay mo. Yeah. Press the plug again. Press the plug. Anong tingin? Tama yan. Good job. Put the yellow phone. Then find the tank. Where's the tank? Where's the tank? Move your neck. Move your neck. Don't look down. Release the plug. Release the plug. Release. Good job. Dahan lang. You're doing good. You're doing good. No pressure. Control your stance. Paa mo. Paginin mo ng paa mo para dahan-dahan. Then release the plug. Where's the yellow box? Good job. You're doing good. Where's the wall? Yan. Automatic before you approach. Dito na agad. But you did good. You did good. Good job. Release the plug. Heads up. Heads up. Heads up. Way better. Control lang. Not so fast. Not so fast. Good, good, correct, correct. Release the clutch para may momento. Yan. Then slow down. Straight lang. Pitik-konti. Pitik-pitik lang. Release the clutch. Release. Okay, talaga. No mind the road. Hindi malayo. Always look wide. Wide. Good. Press the tank. Release the clutch. Yan. Pag sa curve ka, pag malapit na matapos yung curve, release the clutch para di matumba. Basta always give it. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Look ahead. Remember, I told you to slow in, pass out. Once something is land, remember, I told you about landing. If you were landing, hindi ka malapit ka doon. Hindi ka malayo. Don't develop that bad habit. Go in the middle, here. O, tingin na kagad sa right, tingin na sa right. Release the clutch, release the clutch. Okay, don't look down, look ahead. Tingin na dito again, dito tingin, dito.
Gitna, gitna.
Dito,
Yan.
Before you approach, advance na tingin. Yeah, advance na. Release the clutch, release the clutch. O, same. In the middle, dito ka parati mag-interchange. Look to your right. Before you approach, tingin ka na kagad sa right. Before you approach, tingin sa left. Okay. O, tingin na sa left, tingin na sa left. Okay, gas, ano na? Down check. Good job, you're doing good, you're doing good. Good job, Ea!
Gas pa, gas pa. Down shift. Brake, 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 brake. Yan, hindi ko. Yun. Throttle, tas second gear. Dahan-dahan bitaw sa clutch. Gas mo na, go gas. Di na mo pa yung gas. Sige pa. Yan. Yan.
Left leg, baba. Left leg, baba. Take. Bagal. Bagal. Bagal pa.
Yan.
Exit point. Exit. Good job, Bea. Oh, may mahirap ba, Bea? Oh, some more. Look at those. Gas. Where's the exit point, Bea? Where's the exit point? Good job. Oh, alam ko mahirap.
Dito tingin.
Good job, Bea. Good job.
Yun.
Gas. Gas. Good job. Some more.
Yun.